The 2012 Porsche Cayenne by Mansory. The tuning packages for the Porsche Cayenne just keep piling on, don't they? Just a couple of days ago, Lumma Design revealed their CLR 558 GT based on the SUV, and now Mansory has released their new tuning kit for the Cayenne. The new package includes aerodynamic updates, ultra-light aluminum rims, and powerful engine enhancements. The aerodynamic package includes plenty of carbon fiber add-ons such as front and rear aprons, side skirts, bonnet, and mudguards. The package also includes large air inlets to provide plenty of fresh air for the Cayenne's 4.8-liter turbo engine. The car sits on fully forged 10 by 22-inch mono-block rims in turbine design. That 4.8L turbo will also be getting an upgrade thanks to larger turbochargers and a stainless steel sports exhaust system. Mansory's additions allow the Cayenne to deliver a total of 690 HP and 800 Nm at 4,800 r.p.m. With these new numbers, the Cayenne will sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in only 4.4 seconds and will reach a top speed of 186 miles per hour.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.